Oh, isn't that a shame?
You were gonna end up solo anyways.
Usually.
Hey, once we're all on the ground, we're all solo.
Right?
I'm using the 40 mil scope today, so this is gonna be interesting colored footage. And I gotta remember not to get my finger in the way.
You counting on me, Red?
Who's that over there?
I don't know.
Oh, that's Josh. He started on my team.
Is he still on?
I've only changed 14.
You're in. You're in.
Are you still in play, Evan? Hey!
A trip.
I like that idea.
What are we saying?
Oh, we gotta face Noah's camera once he turns it on and say, hi, video that'll never get made.
His camera's on now, I just heard it. Hi, video that will never get made.
Yes, love it.
That's the intro.
So much footage and so little editing. I wonder what that's like.
Get the coach up.
Someone in the fort! Someone's in the fort! Got me. Good shot.
Thank you.
One down. One in the house. Right side.
Hit, hit, hit. Ugh. I don't know which one of you got me, but you got me in my leg, so good shot. Ugh. Just go get myself killed. Hit, hit, hit.
Damn me.
Huh?
Said damn me.
Yeah, well, I think I'm the only one left, so I just walked up the trail hoping to get shot.
You got me in the middle and then you fucking dome shot me.
Through the RV,
Yeah.
Where are we going, Noah?
in the direction of enemies.
Oh, your name Noah too?
Yep.
Oh, he's
Oh,
Noah.
shit. We got like a hunter situation going on here. Hunter 1, Hunter 2, and 3. It was too bad Hunter 3 couldn't be here,
I know.
because he decided to hurt himself.
10 starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Count. Go.
You did get that.
Yeah, I did. Fuck you.
Far left going towards the fort. You.
Nice. Oh shit!
You.
What about him? Are you no band? Nope, I see you, man.
So Scouts is kind of a full team medic, but if you heal another person from an enemy team, then you still on the mission. So you go to hit everyone on the mission.
Nope, that was okay.
Hey.
I like this. Shoot. I started convincing myself nobody shot. Come here.
Oh shit, Nick. Ow.
I shot in the hand. You deserve that. I've only played at this spawn today.
All right, you played at the good spawn then.
Yeah,
Because the other two are down the fucking hill.
I know.
I'll get bored.
Red is not getting an assignment that involves being stable or static.
No.
My 4 is out of battery, I think.
Nice. Dual wield. Dual wield it. You ready? I'm going to show you something really cool. Here, take that.
He's got like lots of guns.
Yep.
You got 100 rounds at least on that one.
He's probably got one tucked up in his prison wallet too.
Yeah, that's the thing is I'm not asking you to use that one too much.
Well,
There you go.
here's how you use it. Don't.
Yeah,
That's what that's for.
we just got it set up.
Hop up still too high. Yep. One's dead in the fortress. On the right side of the orange Car hood, there's one behind the barrier there. See his hand on the right side?
Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Oh, I think I just got him. That looked like it hit him, maybe not. Nope, he's still there. Shit. Hit! Is this? There he goes. Gracias. Sorry. Ow. I blocked that shot for you.
Yeah, no, I got hit anyway.
I know. But I took one to the neck just then. Where they at?
One behind that wood there,
Okay. He's dead. One's dead.
Cool, on your fucking team.
Oh, sorry, Cody. I didn't know you were already dead.
It's okay, my team got me first.
It do be like that.
I just dunked on Evan.
Did you?
Unfortunately, I don't have it on GoPro.
That's okay. He does.
He was through one of the windows, and he popped up and seen me.
Yeah.
I turned around and started crawling this way, so I just shot him in the ass. I was like, "You don't turn around." Oh, really? Yeah. Did you trade Bandit? Well, I want to see.
Paul, did the other team get like a kill streak or something?